Hi students, welcome. So now we are discussing about how to draw the pentagonal prism in projection of solids topic. Clear? Our problem is a pentagonal prism of base side 30 mm and axis length 60 mm rests on HP on one of its base corners with the base edges containing its being equally inclined to HP. The axis is inclined at 45 degree to HP and parallel to VP. Draw this projection. Clear? So, the problem, given problem, pentagonal prism. So, first we draw XY reference by 2H pencil, then pentagonal prism. Here also the pentagonal prism, two arrangements are there. For example, whether the pentagon is horizontally or otherwise the pentagon arrangement, that is when one of its edges is parallel to XY and one of its edges is perpendicular to XY, like this. So, two cases are there, 1 and 2. So, as per our problem, when it is tilting, one of its base corners with the base edges containing is being equally inclined to HP they given. Clear? So, therefore, while tilting one of its base corner, so this corner you consider as per our condition. Clear? Right. So, therefore, because while tilting these two corners, that is two edges, while this resting corner it is equally inclined, but here also the corner is there, but this angle is not equal. These two angles are not equal, but here equal. So, first we draw pentagon as per this one. So, the pentagon size is 30 mm side and axis 60 long. So, here to here 30, you know that how to draw the pentagon. Clear? This one. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, where is the axis in this case? We know that in the odd sides polygon, the corner and its opposite side midpoint. So, this one we join it. Similar case, this corner and its opposite side midpoint, this one we join it. So, at least any two lines it comes intersecting point, that is center. Clear? Right. So, then you draw the projection lines. Clear? So, 1 comma 5, 2, 4, this one and 3, and also center. Clear? Center projection. Then this is the prism. So, the prism initially after tilting, when one of its point on its base edge is resting. Therefore, before tilting the total solid is completely resting on HP. Therefore, the base is completely lies on HP. Yeah. So, this is the prism. So, therefore, how much height they given, that much height want to draw. The axis long is 60 mm. So, from here to here 60, 60. Clear? So, this is the prism, and here 2 comma 4, this edge, visible edge, actually 2 edges visible and 4 is invisible, and this is the center. So, line dot line. So, center line method by 2H pencil. Clear? So, here the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let us consider top 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 2 dash comma 4 dash, 1 dash comma 5 dash. In the base A, B, C, D, E. Therefore, this is A dash, B dash, C dash, B dash comma D dash, A dash comma E dash. Clear? Right. So, this one is already we know that this is XY. Right. Then while tilting that component, the axis makes an angle 45 degree and it's parallel to VP. Clear? So while tilting, the corner, base corner C only lies on HP, because as per our problem, on one of the base corners, clear, on HP. Therefore, same component and axis how much long? 45 degree inclined and axis is 60 degree long. Clear? So we know that the axis and base 90 degree. Clear? So all the edges are parallel to the axis. Therefore, axis is inclined given angle means compulsory all the edges also inclined same angle. Therefore, we draw 45 degree line. Clear? And let us consider this is C dash and 3 dash 60 long. The edge and base 90 degree. Clear? Same dimension we draw, same diagram. Clear? And next, here to here how much distance? Same distance you measure it here and draw dark line. And here to here the axis distance, so this one axis. Clear? We assign that letters. So this is A dash comma E dash, B dash comma D dash, this is C dash. Similarly 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 2 and 4, 1 and 5. Clear? Right. After that we draw the projection lines from front view to top view. So AE, BD, C. Similarly 1, 5, 2, 4 and 3. Clear? Here to here projection lines. So where is the projection? This is 4 comma D projection, 4 and D, 5E, 3C, 1A, 2B. So where is that intersection points? So A versus A, this one A and A, B and B, C, D and E. Clear? Base ABCDs. So A, B, C, D, E. Similarly here 1 and 1, this is 2 and 2, 3 and 3, then 4 and 4, 5 and 5. While seeing the top view, the top pentagon surface is fully visible. So that pentagon surface is fully visible, but the base is 50-50. So D to E visible, E to A visible and A to B visible. But here while seeing this, these edges are visible, the base B to C, C to D is invisible. So B to C invisible, C to D invisible. And next, while seeing top view, A1 and E5 visible. So A1 and E5 is visible. Similarly, B2 and D4 is visible. D4 and B2 is visible. And the bottommost C dash to 3 dash, C to 3 is invisible. So here invisible. So hidden line by H pencil. Clear? So this is the case. So A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A1, B2, D4, E5 edges are visible. So dark lines, thick continuous line, and C to 3 is invisible. Therefore C to 3 is hidden line. Clear? So this is the solution for our given problem. Thank you.